तपाईले संसारका कुनै रेस्टुराँमा चाम्रे खानुभएको छ? हामी ठोकुवाका साथ भन्न सक्छौं रेस्टुराँमा चाम्रे कसैले खाएको छैन, किनभने चाम्रे भात पाटनको यो रैथाने रेस्टुराँ भन्दा अन्त खोजेर पनि पाइँदैन।
सबैलाई नमस्ते, मेरो नाम चाहिँ म्याथिल्ड हो, म चाहिँ फ्रेन्चबाट हो अनि नेपालमा बसेको अब 5 वर्ष भयो। हाम्रो रैथाने रेस्टुरेन्ट कति अक्टोबरदेखि सुरु गर्यौं हामी 3 जना पार्टनर छौं, प्रशान्त खनाल, जजन शाह अनि म। अनि हाम्रो इन्ट्रेस्ट चाहिँ त्यही हो फुड अनि कृषि अनि हामीले के विचार गरे नेपाली खानेकुरा प्रमोट गर्ने, किनभने नेपालमा क्युजिन चाहिँ धेरै डाइभर्स छ हैन, धेरै नेपालमा त्यही हो तेराई छ, पहाडी माल अनि जातहरू पनि धेरै छ। अनि तर मान्छेहरू यहाँ काठमाडौँमा अनि लोकल मान्छेहरू अनि विदेशीहरू चाहिँ नेपाली क्युजिन चाहिँ धेरै डाइभर्स छ तर थाहा छैन। So the idea came to promote this food diversity that you have here in Nepal as a way also to promote the food culture, the food diversity, and also to promote different produces that we use in our food.
नामै रैथाने भएकाले भनिरहनु पर्दैन कि यहाँ रैथाने खाना मात्र पाइन्छ। यहाँ आएर तपाईले चाउमिन, बर्गर वा पिज्जा खाना खोज्नुभयो भने त्यो सम्भव हुने छैन, तर विभिन्न जात वा भूगोलमा पाइने खाना अर्डर गर्नुभयो भने तत्काल तयार भइहाल्छ। याङबेन फाक्सा, रिकुकुर, अरिकञ्चन, चुकौनी, समय बजी, बँदेल तारेको, छोइला, करेसाबारी, खल्पी, सुकुटी, सेलरोटी, क्वाटी, च्याउको रस, गुन्द्रुकको झोल, तामाको झोल, कोदोको झोल, पिडालुको झोल, ग्वार्चा, भुटुवा, खिर, दही चिउरा लगायत धेरै प्रकारका टिपिकल नेपाली खाना पाइन्छ यस रेस्टुराँमा।
So both of my partners are Nepali and I have lived here for a few years, and we noticed that here in Nepal people used to eat the same things. You know, everyone knows about dal bhat, everyone knows about momos, but we noticed that there is much more to eat, much more to Nepali cuisine than these things. And also, you know, the rice has been replacing other grains. People tend to eat the same things, and every ethnic groups also have their own cuisine, their own dishes. But these are not well known by the others. And here, by living in the city, you know, people don't know that there is such a diversity of food all over the country. So it was a way, we thought, okay, let's promote that. You know, there is really a big scope for Nepali cuisine to be much more renowned, and to bring all of this here in Kathmandu. So we have some taru dishes, Rayan Lambu dishes, Sherpa dishes, and lichen, you know lichen, the moth, that is really used in Rayan Lambu dishes, especially with the pork, and this is
10 महिना अघि खुलेको हो यो रेस्टुराँ। जब 3 जना साथीहरूको मन मिल्यो तब हराउँदै गएका नेपाली खानाहरूको मेन्यु तयार भयो। राजधानीको मध्य शहरमा रैथाने नाम दिएर टिपिकल नेपाली परिकारहरूमा जाने हो भने व्यापार पनि हुन्छ भन्ने कुरामा प्रशान्त खनाल, जेसन शाह, माथिलड लेफब्रे सहमत भए। यो रेस्टुराँको अहिलेको विकास त्यही बेलाको सल्लाह र उनीहरूको लगानीको उपज हो।
I think it's a quite long story because Prashan, one of the partners, is really passionate about food. He has also a food blog and all, so he knew already about the food culture here, the food dishes. So we all sit down together, we discuss about many dishes, and then during 1 year we had a brunch at Jason's guest house in Patan. And it was good for us to try experimenting, you know, and to see the reply of the response of customers, to start cooking together because, to start practicing, to start to exchange also with customers, to discuss. And so it took, I would say, a year for us in our mind to come up with a proper idea. And then we had to look for a place as well, you know. So we have this restaurant here located in Saugol in Patan, and which is kind of a very typical Newari neighborhood. The house is also quite old, so we thought it would fit well with what we are trying to promote, you know, the culture. So we started, as I said, in last October, and it has been quite well. At the beginning, it was mostly our friends and friends of our friends who would come, you know, by words of mouth. And people, I think, started talking about it. It was really interesting to see the reply from Nepalese, you know, discovering also their own food culture, you know, and feeling, I would say, even feeling proud of, oh, we have all those dishes here in our country, and we even did not know about that. So the reply from Nepalese was quite good, and we advertise a lot on social media, especially Facebook, Instagram. I think it's quite useful for restaurants nowadays to use those social media. We participated in a food fair as well in Bikruti Mandap, where we got in touch with the crowd. We are located nearby the Diobasco of Patan, so we have also tourists and foreigners coming, happy to try different kind of food that they cannot find easily in other places. So TripAdvisor, but it's mostly, you know, spreading like this from people who have come, who bring their friends, who talk to others. We got one article also published in Kathmandu Post. That had also quite a good impact. We try to, you know, to make it more and more exciting by also changing the menu quite regularly. We have a fixed menu, but then we bring also some special of the day, special of the week, and we go with the seasons. So, for example, these days we are having Neuro salad because it's the Neuro season. We are having, like this, using tarua, for example. Tarua, it's a kind of tempura made with veggies, even some pumpkin leaves from our garden. So, you know, like this to make it exciting, to even for regular customers to find different dishes when they come.
Hello, I'm Shifa from Indonesia. I have traveled around Nepal for quite some time, and I have come to know about Raitane from my friends, because basically the owners and partners of Raitane are my friends. But apart from that, apart from being biased, I think Raitane is a very unique place for travelers personally like me who come to Nepal trying to understand about the country. Because I think for a lot of travelers, what we know so far is either momo or chow mein, basically a little bit of samosa here and there, but not knowing the diversity in terms of cuisine that Nepal has from different and variety of community. So I think Raitane performs very well in terms of introducing that kind of cuisine, such as the juice There's this one juice that I drink here quite often. It's called sea buckthorn juice. So yeah, so far I think my experiences about Raitane, the basic idea why Raitane is important, not only introducing cuisine for Nepalese, but also to a lot of travelers like us to understand better about Nepal than just what's available on the street. So yeah, thank you.
टिपिकल नेपाली खाना खान को आउँछ त रेस्टुराँमा? यी सञ्चालिकाको अनुभव अनुसार नेपाली र विदेशी बराबर जस्तै आउँछन् यहाँ।
हाम्रो कस्टमर चाहिँ मिक्स हो, नेपाली 50%, विदेशी 50%। मेरो विचार चाहिँ अहिले चाहिँ लो टुरिस्ट सिजन हो अनि विदेशीहरू अलिकति कम हुन्छ, तर नेपाली चाहिँ आउँछन् हैन, मिक्स हो नेपाली विदेशी। हाम्रो आइडिया चाहिँ यो चाहिँ राम्रो गर्ने हैन, सोर्सिङ यु नो, हामी कहाँबाट तरकारी ल्याउने, कहाँबाट ग्रेन्सहरू लिएर आउने, यो चाहिँ राम्रो बनाउने अनि गरेपछि हेरौँ अलि अर्को ठाउँमा पनि जाने होला विचार चाहिँ। तर पहिला चाहिँ हाम्रो मेन फोकस चाहिँ लेट्स डू दिस वान यु नो properly, get the crowd and the recognition that we want. Also experiment, try different things, and whenever we feel ready, we will probably go for somewhere else.
रेस्टुराँका सञ्चालकहरू जस्तै यहाँ आउने र आइरहने पनि सन्तुष्ट देखिन्छन्। कहिले नखाएको परिकार खान विदेशीहरूलाई पनि आकर्षित गरेको छ रैथानेले।
नमस्कार, मेरो नाम चाहिँ बारिश गहतराज। म चाहिँ अहिले रैथानेमा कार्यरत सेफ हो। आज चाहिँ म रैथानेको केही परिकार अथवा डिसहरूको बारेमा चाहिँ तपाईहरुलाई केही भन्न गइरहेको छु। रैथाने चाहिँ यस्तो रेस्टुरेन्ट हो जहाँ चाहिँ नेपालभरिको विभिन्न कम्युनिटीहरूको खानेकुराहरू यहाँ चाहिँ पाउँछ। जस्तै मैथिली कम्युनिटीहरूको, मैथिली समुदायहरूको चाहिँ अरिकञ्चन भयो, तरुवा भयो, जस्तै राई लिम्बूहरूको ब्लड ससेज, सारगेम्पा, चाम्रेन, याङमेन फाक्सा, त्यसपछि लुङ घाक्चा जस्ता विभिन्न खानेकुराहरू पाउँछ। अनि हाम्रो थकालीहरूको पनि कञ्चेम्बा, जुन फापरको पिठोहरूले बन्छ त्यो पनि पाउँछ। अनि यस्तै विभिन्न जस्तै शेर्पाहरूको रिकीकुर, रिलदुक यस्ता खानेकुराहरू यो रैथाने रेस्टुरेन्टमा चाहिँ बन्छ। पाटन अवस्थित हाम्रो रैथाने रेस्टुरेन्टमा एकचोटि तपाईहरुले भिजिट गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ र नेपालमा रहेको विभिन्न कम्युनिटीहरूको खानेकुराहरू यहाँ चाहिँ टेस्ट गर्न पाउनुहुन्छ तपाईहरुले। र तपाईहरुले देख्दै नदेखेको र चाख्दै नचाहेको खानेकुराहरू चाहिँ तपाईहरुले यहाँ आएर खान सक्नुहुनेछ। र एकचोटि हामीलाई तपाईहरुको सेवा गर्ने मौका दिनुहोस्। हस्त धन्यवाद।
स्वादमा नयाँपन, लोप हुन लागेका खानाको जगेर्ना र आफ्नै टिपिकल खानाप्रतिको मोह जागृत गर्नु रैथानेको पहिलो उद्देश्य हो। सँगसँगै रैथानेको मूल उद्देश्य भनेको टिपिकल नेपाली खानालाई विश्वसामु पुर्याउनु पनि हो।
Main चाहिँ नेपाली नै हो, नेपाली de काठमाडौँको citizens, पाटनको citizens मान्छेहरू हैन, यहाँ लोकल मान्छे हाम्रो मेन टार्गेट हो। तर विदेशीहरू आउँछ भने पनि हामी खुसी छौँ। Of course we welcome everyone, but I think the idea was really to promote the Nepali cuisine among Nepali themselves.